Welcome to Robotics Lab 2. Jogging. This video where I'll be demonstrating the use of the teach pendant to practice jogging the robot. This exercise is a fundamental step in familiarizing ourselves with the basics of robotics programming. Every robot typically consists of three main components: the robot itself, the control unit, and the teach pendant. In this tutorial, we're working with the KUKA KR6 R700 robot. This particular model is a 6-axis robot, which means it has 6 joints that allow for versatile movement and functionality. Depending on the robot model, the number of jogging buttons on the teach pendant can vary, corresponding to the robot's axes. This particular robot has 6 axes, and accordingly, the teach pendant features 6 rows of jogging buttons. The top 3 rows control the movement of joints 1, 2, and 3. The bottom 3 rows are designated for controlling the movement of joints 4, 5, and 6. When the robot is not in use, it's important to press the E-stop to deactivate it for safety. Therefore, the first step when we begin is to release the E-stop. Located on the back of the teach pendant is a crucial feature known as the deadman button. By half-pressing this button, the robots are unlocked, allowing for free movement. This is controlled using the jogging buttons situated on the front of the teach pendant. When the deadman button is engaged, it enables us to control the movement of the robot's joints. Let's watch as the robot moves freely across all 6 axes. We can jog the robot joint by joint, or control multiple joints at the same time by pressing several jogging buttons simultaneously. Thank you for watching.